Hi, everybody. I just want to say that I am sorry I'm not in class. I'm feeling under the weather. I'm hoping that I'll be back by the end of the week. But until that point, I just wanted to make sure that you knew what our next step in the Mexico unit would be. So today we are going to look at the project that you will be assigned for Mexico. It is a diary. Okay, I'll then show you a few examples, and please remember to fill out an exit log by the end of the class period so that I can give you attendance. Okay? All right, so let's look at what I'm expecting. Okay, within the project, you may do this project alone or you may pick a partner. I've attached the class list in case you want to see who's in the class and who you can ask if they want to be partners. You're able to message them through Schoology if you want to contact them. You will have 3 class periods, 3 advisory periods, and I've given you the dates, plus a weekend to complete this assignment. If you look at the top, you'll notice that the assignment is due a little more than a week from today. It's due next Wednesday on the 10th by the end of the school day. Okay? Follow the diary project requirement page, which I'll click on in a moment. The link is below. And make sure that you have a very thorough bibliography. Okay? Also, just a reminder, on Friday, I plan on talking to you about our first food lab, which will have Mexican cuisine. And but you remember that you have to be passing this course at the time in order to participate in those labs. Okay, so make sure that you're getting your work in. All right, let's look at the requirements for this project. Okay, it is going to be a PowerPoint presentation. All right, and you'll read through the directions. I'm telling you what slides need what on it. Okay, I'm telling you what specific information that I'm looking for. Pictures are always good. Please don't just answer the questions. This is a diary, so I'm going to show you some examples of how students have created diaries, you know, to like diary entries, and the projects have been awesome. So let's do that. Okay, here is one of my examples, and I'll just quickly, you know, go through what, you know, some of their pages look like. Okay, all the way through to the bibliography. Make sure that you have a bibliography. This one is one of my favorites. I like how this author used like a book type background, and you know, she wrote like a diary entry for all the different stops and pages and places that she needed to go. So it was really interesting. All right, so one of the first things you're going to do is make sure that you contact a partner if you're interested, or if you're doing it on your own, that's fine also. It's just going to be a little more work for you. If you are working with a partner, figure out how you're going to communicate with each other. Start discussing, you know, divvying up what you're doing on the project. A really good place to look for information along with the internet would be travel sites. It is a, you know, a destination, vacation destination place, and there's a lot of information on travel sites about Mexico. So if you have any questions, reach out to me via email or message. I will try and get back to you as soon as I can. As I said, I hope to be back by the end of the week. Enjoy working on the project, and I will talk to you soon. Okay? Have a great day.